Hi, I'm Jordan with Best Reviews, and today we're diving into the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II camera. If you've noticed your favorite creators' videos looking a lot crisper lately, there's a good chance they're using the original version of this camera. The second generation model is a massive leap forward for anyone trying to level up their content. The Sony camera was really easy to set up. Actually, I'm not super tech savvy when it comes to cameras. I've had some growing up, but not a lot. And right out of the box, I was able to shoot 4K videos and great visuals in a matter of 3 or 4 minutes. Don't let the exterior design fool you though, because the real magic is inside the body. Sony swapped in a much more powerful sensor that handles light better and stops that wobbly effect you get when moving the camera too quickly. Makes your handheld shots look much more stable and professional compared to the older versions. Recording video feels like a totally different experience once you see the final footage. Because this version captures way more color information, the picture looks rich and expensive right away. We spent some time with the 4K settings and the results are impressively smooth. One of the most practical changes actually is the power supply. They finally moved to a much larger battery, which is a total game changer because you can film for about twice as long on a single charge. On top of that, the camera uses smart AI to stay locked into your eyes. No matter how much you move while talking, the camera will stay perfectly sharp on you, so you never have to worry about taking a blurry shot. Right out of the box, it makes total sense, it's very intuitive. There's a video mode, a photo mode, and then sort of like a more professional mode. Some small physical details actually make this device much easier to use on a daily basis. The built-in microphone is way better isolating your voice from background noise or wind. Plus, they kept the product showcase button. This is essential for reviewers because the camera instantly focuses on an item you hold up and then snaps right back into your face the second you move it away from the camera. But you'll be happy to know that your current equipment still has a place here. This camera uses the same lens system Sony has used for years, so you don't have to go out and buy all new glass. In fact, if you already have some lenses, they'll actually perform better on this body because the internal computer is so much faster at finding and tracking objects. So where does all this leave us? So the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is not trying to reinvent the wheel. It's just removing all those headaches for creators. If you're ready to move past smartphone quality and want a reliable tool that makes you look great, this is a fantastic investment. If you're just someone who films the occasional home movie, you might not need this extra power. Once again, I'm Jordan from Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know, what are you most excited about with this new Sony ZV-E10 Mark II camera?